Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and click that like and subscribe button so you won't miss an upload from me. I wanted to hop on here real quick so I can let you guys know we're going to do a spring refresh on the bathtub. I have a couple new items that I wanted to place on here. I also needed to give the tub a thorough cleaning before I actually added that. I am so happy for all my new subscribers. I just wanted to come on here and just say welcome to the channel. So if you guys are up for that type of video, you guys stick around and let's get started.
I would like to let you know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for you. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you.
If anybody is wondering, this is called a deep soaking tub, and it's about 20 inches deep, and those two little arm niches you see inside the tub there is just to put your arms on. The back of the tub is actually kind of curved a little bit so you can just sit back and relax. And after a hard day's work, you guys, filling this tub up, putting all your little bath gadgets in there and relaxing is the best.
The reason we got someone to click for. Maybe all you need's a show that you cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. All you need is the time that I got plenty of. I'll dedicate all my love until you want me. I wanna stay by your side, be there to cool you up, and let you know everything will be alright. No more going through. I wanna be down, I wanna be down, I wanna be down with you. No matter the time, baby, it's true. I wanna be down, I wanna body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue, go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting
I love using the barkeeper's friend because it's almost like it restores whatever you're cleaning, because it gives it like a new shine, like when we first moved into the house. So I love using this barkeeper's friend.
just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give your all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, get posted. How that works? What you talking? Back that shit up. Won't you say mine, say mine? So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't be calling me baby, yeah. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
show ya. Wish for me to call you when you're turning me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling.
The black stuff you guys see at the bottom of the tub, it's just the accumulation of dust that was around the tub and on that windowsill there. So it looks crazy when I'm looking at it, but it's just dust that's in there.
Money, she don't love money, she break grass real fast like money. Wanna swim down to the deep end, wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real, cause honestly I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around, too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Golden cupboard, get to your clean and proper.
I'm not gonna lie, this tub is not the easiest to clean because you literally almost have to get in the tub to clean the tub. So it's just, it can be hard to clean. So if you have back issues and all that, this is probably not a good tub for you to have.
Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya, show me the color when you turn me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down.
Gotta show me how you jiggle.
Off. Why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it off? Why I like it when you switch it when you take it off? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
Tell me let's start, cause every time you smile, I feel trembling in my heart. How can we ground? Tell me let's start, cause every time you smile, I feel trembling in my heart. How can we ground? Tell me let's start, cause every time you smile, I feel trembling in my heart. I have a woman's work, and I till my day.
The items that I'm putting up now are just basically items that I've already had because I've been doing good this year on repurposing a lot of stuff. My husband is so happy, but I'm probably not going to do this next year or later on in the year. I don't know. But right now I've been doing good and it makes him happy, of course. I got the bath pillow from Home Goods a while back, and I love that it has that curve on there because it just makes it easier to lay back on.
How do we go? Tell me let's start. Cause every time you smile, I feel trembling in my heart. I have a woman's work, and I do till my day comes. Here's what I'm gonna do. You sit up in my soul, my bed, in my head. I must confess, I'm a best for you. You sit up in my soul, my bed, in my head.
Caddy I got from Amazon, and I will link that if you guys are interested. It has a little wine glass holder on there. Has a lot of little compartments, and then compartments that you can actually take out if you don't need it. So I will link that in my description box for those of you who want to take a look at that.
Love me, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe? Won't you love me the open kind of new way? But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, baby. Won't you love me?
If you guys have not read this book called Crazy Faith by Michael Todd, he's a pastor in Oklahoma. He also has a YouTube channel. His church is called Transformation Church. You guys, this is the best book ever, Crazy Faith. So if you love Christian books, this is one to get. Guys, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're still here, I love you guys. I am so happy. I'm always happy, you guys, but I just want to say I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for clicking on the channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share my video. You guys, thanks for all the support, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.